Oh, what's up, everybody? Today we are going to play Animal Company. Wanna see if they have no new updates. Okay, there's not really that much new. Okay, but anyway, I also need another shout out for today. There was one from like maybe I made like an hour ago. Okay, of course. For that. But I need to search up my name.
Blood.
Name I'm getting more.
Blade. What's
Okay, so this one. The first video I and thank you for 31 subscribers. Amazing vid, dude. Keep going. Thank you. Everyone's just too kind. Okay, anyway. So is there any new items? No.
Yeah! Drop the beat! Keep the beat up! I got beat!
Can I believe? Thank you for everyone subscribe. This is actually the best day ever. Being a YouTuber. Who wants to be in the video, by the way?
I will, I do.
Okay, call me. Add me.
Let me get that show. I need to do like
Talking to
this.
myself.
Okay, you want to be in a YouTube video? You want to be in a YouTube video?
I want to be in a YouTube video. Of course we do.
Okay, I got a fire.
Who wants to be in a video? Wants to be in a video? You?
You?
Okay. Okay, follow me. I will. Okay, follow me. Okay, add me. Okay.
Okay, this is.
I'm at the way bottom.
I am at the bottom one. I'm the bottom one. Okay, add me. Okay, soon you gotta join me. Okay, join me soon. Okay, join me. Like stay over there and just join me soon. Just go away.
Okay, just go away. Okay, what does he want to join?
Oh, there you are. Okay, so what do you want to say to the audience?
I don't know. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, you heard him. Like and subscribe. And also, if you want to get shout outed, you have to comment down a nice comment. I did not mean to bite that. Okay, so I need to see if I have enough room. Because wait, I made a car. I want to see my. Okay, I want to see what the car looks like. Oh, didn't work. Oh, I know. I can build a thing. How about I make? How about? Ooh, a tablet. How about I make this thing? Okay, now. Hmm.
Now we just got an actual
little
thing.
thing.
When you got around, just say.
Yo, wait. Robot, wake up.
Oh! Robot.
Yeah, it's a little iPad thing I'm trying to build. So inside. Just read.
I'm gonna give him
So the
surgery.
light could be on always. It doesn't turn off unless you want to ask a little robot on top. Yo, robot.
What's
What's
now
now
plus
plus 10?
21?
Yeah, it's pretty funny. That's my top #1 favorite new meme, old meme that has finally came back because of the brain rot apocalypse. Comment down which is your favorite old meme that came back. Mine is definitely 21 and Nine Cat.
21!
Yeah. And to actually make this iPad. Yo, do you have those little game thingies? Like those, thingies?
I do have one, but I think I lost one of them.
I need one. At least one.
Yeah, I lost mine.
I don't have one either. The only rarest thing I actually think I have. The only two who actually rare things is this thing. You have to have a box.
I have this too. Look at this.
Wait, can I show you what else I have?
Yeah.
The key. Look on my back.
Yeah, I'll show you something.
Does it look the same? It's way larger than mine. Let me see what it looks like on mine. Wait. Yo, cool. What if I click? Ding! Yo, you wanna go ride?
Wait.
I actually do have the
Okay,
sticky
now I
dynamite,
want to.
or is that just a dream? Yes, I do have it. Okay. I
I'm
think that will
watching
happen.
you.
Okay, look. Yo, you want it? Okay, ready? Look how far he is. Oh. I killed him. Why is my hand like... should go to weapons. I want to try to get red watch by this little laser thingy. Get the apple like. Yo, you want? Can I get red watch?
What?
Can I get red watch?
Okay. No, please.
Oh, I just got red
Yay,
watch.
heaven. No.
You gave it back, buddy. Okay. Now try to kill me. Try to kill me so we both can get red watch.
Okay.
Okay. Fight me. Okay. I got a knock. Okay. Do it. You got red watch now. Yo, freedom. No, you know what? Jimmy, if you're watching this. Okay, do you have red watch?
No. No.
Oh. You wanna go up to the moon again?
Nah. Get back. Yup. Ooh, a balloon.
Don't
A
pop it.
balloon.
Want it? Just don't pop it, okay?
The balloon.
No. Okay, how about you just... Do you want it? Here's another
The
balloon.
balloon. Yay. Oh. Ayan, basta.
Okay, try to damage me without popping the balloon. Without using
Okay.
the thing. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Ah! Don't kill me now. I'm just trying to show you something.
Oh, okay.
I use the power of healing. Don't pop the balloon. Okay. Pop the balloon.
Oh my god. Oh.
How do I even use this?
Nah, I don't really need this one.
Doink. I love hairstyles. Yo, do you want to see my braids? Yo, I'm going to get a hair. Yo, get my dynamite app. Those are my braids. Wow. Am I stylish?
Damn.
Ooh.
Damn.
Now you know what? You think I can get you think I can't get away? I'm free!
What the?
I'm free! I'm free! I'm free again.
Gosh darn it.
Oh, where did this come from? Whoa. Now, you know what? You want 1v1? I can 1v1 you. Okay. Wait, actually, I need to eat some cheese. I'm going to have to smell. Now, you know what? Extra stinky force field.
Get over here.
Uh, I'm free again. This won't last for long, but I am still free. I'm free. Oh, what a relaxing day. No, this would definitely help me. Try to find me. Over here, you can't see me. What? Bam! Well, how does that happen? Can I try? Wait, how do you do that? How does it spin? How does it spin?
Oh.
Oh.
You know how now?
Yeah.
What? We lost the. Move.
I think. No, don't kill me, dude.
Move.
Oh, you know what?
Okay, I'll revive you.
Nope.
No.
Not today.
Oh.
I'm just gonna
What about
float
your body?
around freely as a ghost. Stay there, robot head. Float like a king. No, don't grab me! Stop! Dude, you're messing up.
Okay.
You're messing
Okay.
up the video.
Hmm.
Put me in that little thing.
Oh, I've watched.
Freedom! Oh man, it didn't work.
Get away.
My dynamite! Bang, ding, ding. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. You know I'm just spinning my sec. You just made it. Why did you ruin my